In this video, we're going to be touring the 2020 DRV Suites. It is called the 40 KSSB4. All right, if you like this video and you get any value out of it, leave us comments below and then let us know if you have any questions and we can answer them because we remember what it looked like because we liked it so much. This is 40 feet, 10 inches long. So you've got probably a sofa in the back that pulls out for a bed. Storage above, nice sconce lighting. Then you've got another set of seats. These are the theater seats. Heated seats, okay. And with this one, you have kind of like a little hutch display area. Maybe you could put a coffee maker there. That's what it would be, a coffee bar.
Coffee station. That would be nice.
Yeah, and then a very small dining room table, perfect for 2 people, and it probably folds down and turns into a hutch. Now, the best part about this unit is the kitchen.
Yeah,
so it has a dishwasher.
Let's go over some of the features that it has. We have a dishwasher right here.
Pull that dishwasher out. I want to see.
A nice island.
I wonder how much water that takes. That's really a large dishwasher, actually.
Yeah, it is.
I mean that would probably be 2 days worth of
3. Yeah, we could easily. There we go.
Now, this is going to be very high level quality. So you've got glass tiles.
Convection oven.
Yeah.
Microwave, convection. Lots and lots of storage.
The wood is amazing.
Yeah,
I think
it's all real hard. As far as I know, it's all real hardwood.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Pantry lights, kitchen counter lights.
Yeah.
Now, one thing I love about DRV is that they make this stove cover a solid countertop surface.
Versus
so when
glass.
You lift that up. Yeah, versus a piece of glass that has a hinge in the middle here.
Right, okay,
different stuff.
So lift that up. Let me see that again.
If you're not cooking and you want full service, you've got a nice full countertop. Otherwise,
does it fit all the way up? Yes, it does.
That holds straight up and down, and you've got your stove and you can work. And then it has an oven here.
Check this out. So this has got a plug in the back and a slide. So you could put an Instant Pot right here.
Yeah. And leave it plugged in.
You can leave it plugged in and just maybe leave the door open for air.
Some people, coffee maker.
Yeah.
Goes there.
Yeah.
And a real pretty.
The quality in here
pantry
is
with
really nice.
With
Those
a
are
little bit of
adjustable
lighting
shelves.
in it. Yeah, adjustable.
Yeah.
Shelving.
Okay.
And then you've got lots of drawer storage.
I'm looking over here.
And they're the soft close
I don't
drawers.
know what that is, but it's some kind of huge.
It's a subwoofer.
Subwoofer.
Yeah.
Okay.
For your sound system,
this one also
you got
has
a
a
JBL
ceiling fan.
sound bar. Sorry, we're talking over each other.
Ceiling fan. Okay. Sorry, honey, go.
The JBL sound bar.
So that is a
TV.
34. Turn that fireplace on. Let's see.
34. I don't know how.
On/off button.
You think?
Oh. I'm telling you what, I am gonna love having a fireplace in our rig. So that's a 34 inch. I will say my dream would be a 40 inch.
That's blowing out heat too.
Is it really? Ooh.
Yeah.
And today is a cold day.
Yeah, it's like in the 40s right now here in Texas.
Now, the one thing I don't like about these units is they have floor vents.
Yeah, that is a negative for us. I would rather them be, stuck under the edge of the island versus blowing up straight out of the floor.
Huge storage unit. Storage space.
So, but it has tremendous.
Oh, look at that! The trash comes out the end.
They call
this. You don't have to put a trash can out into the floor.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I'm loving that idea. What is over here?
They called it a desk. But this is what we said we could make into a coffee station.
A coffee bar. There's quite a lot of storage that is up out of your way. Like these cabinets, I don't know what we're going to end up putting in there. Maybe like dried goods. But I mean, this is perfect for a retired couple that has one person visit every once in a while.
Tremendous amount of storage.
Yeah, we haven't even gone over here.
Spice rack.
This is your coat closet. That's a panel for just your stuff, not a storage unit, it says. Nice clock.
That's a big,
fantastic fan.
That's huge amount of storage.
Well, I guess you definitely can bring all your appliances from home. This is a nice decorative wide step. I mean, this refrigerator is huge. I don't know how many cubic feet this is, but that's...
I would assume...
That's just crazy 20? Big. And then, look at this. I mean, what...
That's your pantry for food.
No, that's your pantry over there. That's for... I mean, who needs to downsize? This thing has so much storage. It's... Hi. So, typical shower.
Okay.
Yeah, typical
not
shower.
Not huge, but it's nice.
Yeah,
it's nice.
Okay, this should be washer and dryer. Yes.
This is washer and dryer. Single, not stackable.
Show that door opens. Yeah. Oops, so it's separated.
Sorry, guys.
I want
it's got a cabinet
separate
in here
pieces. Yeah, for your laundry soaps. I do want separate washer and dryer. I do not want a combo.
There's a hanging shelf in there too, but there's not enough room to hang anything, so I'm not sure what that is for. It's kind of a wasted.
It's got nice quality light switches here. Okay.
Yep.
Let's go into the bedroom.
And then on into the bedroom.
I mean, nice crown molding on everything. This is a slide. Right here, we're in a slide.
I'm going to assume that this is a king.
This is a king.
Because there's nothing over here, so you got just the one shelf over there, but you got to have a window over here.
Yeah, this is a king actually.
You've got a plug on both sides.
Plug on both sides.
That one has USB. This one does not.
Okay. So let me go into this closet. So it's a step up, and this closet is cedar lined, and there's drawers, and then there's a safe, and there is a rack all the way. That's nice. There's a plug back there. What would you plug in? Back there.
I don't know.
You know what I haven't seen? I haven't seen central air and vac, or central vac. What is this? That must be the AC.
All right, you got a Blu-ray player in here.
What I do like about this is you have a nice air. So this is a slide, Brian.
Yeah, this slides.
So the dresser is a slide.
It's fully slid all the way out.
So it's only the depth
little storage.
Okay, so
that's an escape.
Sleeping wise, you could still
little dresser. That's not bad,
You could still get in here to sleep with the slides in. You couldn't get clothes, except if they were in your closet. But you couldn't. You couldn't get clothes out of your drawers.
If this is a slide, right? If this slide is in, how are you going to get through the door?
You would just jump on your bed. Okay. All right. So this is not bad. A DRV, nice quality. The wood, I think, is the most impressive. So the MSRP on this is just under $200,000. Man, that heat! I can feel the heat.
Yeah,
we've had it on now for a little bit.
It's already warmed up in here.
Yeah.
Well, and they do have the 3-inch walls.
Well, they're saying this now is down to $137,000, so $137,000 for this. That it's a higher quality build.
But the biggest con about this, for us anyway, some people won't mind it, but I don't like the vents in the floor.
Yeah, the vents in the floor are enough.
There's
that
the one in the bathroom.
She wants to
I don't have a room.
Oh, daughter doesn't have a room in this one, so this one's out.
We forgot we had a kid. Okay, and y'all, don't forget to subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all, we're from Texas, so okay. Okay. I don't know. When you're in a DRV, you have to act sophisticated. All right, guys. Thank you for being on this tour with us. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you in your decision making. And also, right here on my left.
Not behind you.
Well, yeah, I mean, but right here beside me on my left on the video screen, there's going to be our first tour, which was of a LUXE, which is also a very nice unit. And then up here, there's going to be another video, whichever one my wife wants to put up there. I don't know yet, so.